I greet you in the love and the light of the infinite Creator. Event is coming soon. YouTube channel. Here's the latest intel.
How many humans have these 8 reptilian traits? By Greg Prescott, M.S. Editor, WooWooMedia.com. According to Sumerian legend, the Anunnaki genetically manipulated our genetics and created 3 versions of what we know as mankind, today. The Anunnaki may have reptilian blood too, as they intermixed with their creations. We don't specifically know how our DNA was manipulated. What we do know is that only 20 of the 64 codons in our DNA are active. Imagine what you could do if all of your codons were activated. I address this idea in the article I wrote for in5d.com called, How Can We Change Our DNA Right Now? Additionally, our human DNA differs dramatically from all other primates as we only have 46 chromosomes compared to 48 in other primates. The first 2 chromosomes appear to be fused together, which may explain part of the genetic manipulation by the Anunnaki. In the following video, Sean David Morton talks about our chromosomes, reptilians and other galactic races. The following are reptilian traits in human beings. You may recognize a few of them in you or someone you know. Please keep in mind that these are simply traits and being part reptilian does not make you a bad person, as there are good and bad people of all galactic, and planetary, races. 1. The reptilian brain. The most obvious reptilian trait would be the reptilian brain, which we all have. The reptilian brain is responsible for the fight or flight response, which is generally based on fear-evoking actions. This is what the mainstream media news targets every time you watch those talking propaganda heads. Reptilians would appear to be very paranoid and skeptical, as this is the brain they trust the most. 2. Lower than average body temperatures. Example, 96. 4. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals, so it would follow that reptilians are as well. They may prefer higher temperatures or do not need as many blankets at night when sleeping. 3. Lower than average blood pressure. Compared to most other mammals, reptiles have lower blood pressure, so it's very well possible that reptilians do too. 4. An extra vertebra. Some people are born with an extra vertebra, which is sometimes referred to as either a transitional vertebra or a cauda. 5. Hypersensitivity to light. Reptiles, such as the leopard gecko, stays hidden in the daylight and comes out at night, due to light sensitivity. Reptilians would more likely prefer to be night owls than to expose themselves in the daylight. 6. Rh blood type. Approximately 5% of the world's population has Rh blood, which was introduced to our planet around 25 to 35,000 years ago in Europe. According to D. Finney, the reptilians are tracking those with Rh-negative factor blood. Going back into time, the Rh-neg hybrids came from the Draco Caverns and the Carpathian Mountains. They were mostly red-haired, with green eyes, and black-haired, with brown eyes. They tried to infiltrate themselves into the blonde, brown-haired, with blue eyes, civilization. Rh-negs are hybrids. They are part reptilian, part human. If 2 Rh-negs try to have a baby, it will usually die or be born a blue baby, because it is not processing oxygen properly. Thus blue bloods, if they survive. 5% of the Earth's population are currently Rh negatives. But, they are 15% of the population of the England and the USA. There may be an exception to this, according to Hill. When a Rh-negative mother has a baby fathered by a Rh-positive father, that you will have a blue baby, as the mother's negative antibodies will try to kill the positive antibodies of the baby. This usually only happens with the second-born child, as the positive antibodies don't get a chance to mix with the mother's blood until the birth. 7. Lack of empathy. Some reptiles will kill and eat their own if comes down to it. Reptilians may do the same. We've all heard about numerous abductions and how people have tied them to secret societies and the Roman Catholic Church. Reptilians have little to no compassion for life and exist strictly to survive by any means possible. 8. The ability to shapeshift. Shapeshifting is a well-known trait of the reptilian. In the following video, Arizona Wilder talks about the shape-shifting Queen of England. The videos mentioned can be seen from the links in the article below in the description.
For additional information, please visit our website, theeventiscomingsoon.com, and our Facebook page at facebook.com/theeventiscomingsoon, your alternative news source for disclosure and the event. Make sure you search our library of videos. You may have missed some very important information and intel. Remember to subscribe to receive updates on our new videos. Stay tuned.
We leave you in the love and the light of the one infinite Creator. Go forth and rejoicing in the power and the peace of the one Creator. Victory of the light.
Event is coming soon. YouTube channel.